Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will be recreating this logo. Let's jump right into Illustrator. On the left hand side you are seeing the original logo. On the right hand side you are seeing the remake. So make a new document. I like to use letter in landscape mode. Go to File, Place the logo that you want to use. Press the letter S to activate your scale tool. Click enter, scale it to 100% uniform. Click on OK. Rename this logo original logo. Lock it. Make a new layer. Using our line segment tool, we are making a straight line. Give this a stroke of a 9. And go to Object, Expand, Fill and Stroke. Our stroke is now an object. Now we are going to hold Alt and Shift. You can turn off this visibility. Hold Alt and Shift to make a copy, and make sure you see the intersect notification. Hit Ctrl D. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we are going to group this, so you can hit Ctrl A to select all, hit Ctrl G to group. So now we have our group. We are going to make a copy of this group, so go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in front. If you see in our layers, we have two groups. Select the top group, and in your Properties panel, go to Rotation, click on 287. Now you're going to right click, go to Transform, Reflect, and hit the vertical. Right, we now have 3 groups in our layers panel: the bottom original horizontal, one of the vertical rotated, and then the opposite rotation. To differentiate, we can use multiple colors for these to avoid any confusion. We are now going to select our 3 groups, and we are going to drag over so that we can kind of align it with our original logo. We are going to drag our groups layer under the original logo. Select all by hitting Ctrl A. Using your shape builder tool, click once, select on a new color, and all we're going to do is color these areas that compromise our original logo. I will be fast forwarding through this. Okay, I'm back. Deselect everything. Toggle the visibility of your original logo. We are now working in our shapes layer. Hit the magic wand tool, click on the green shape, create a new layer, and then on this bright square over here, yours might be a different color. Just go ahead and drag up to put that in its own layer. Let's change the color now to black. You can see when you select all and you hit the letter A, there's a lot of anchor points. So we are going to go ahead and take care of that. Hit the minus tool and just start deleting these extra anchor points. I will be fast forwarding through this as well. As you can see, when you select all, after you delete the extra anchor points and you hit the letter A to select your direct selection tool, we have only the necessary anchor points we need. And make sure you go to Pathfinder, go to make compound shape. That way it's one logo. And here we are compared to our original logo. It looks pretty darn good. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something new. If you have a suggestion as to what logo I should remake next, leave a comment, send a message, subscribe, like, tell a friend. Until next time, have a good day.